Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. I love staying organized and keeping my devices charged using this 3-in-1 wireless charging station. It looks so neat and tidy having my phone, my AirPods, and watch charging in one compact place wirelessly. And it's also quite portable, so it makes it super handy to travel with. I often don't travel with my smartwatch because I think, oh, I have to bring another cord. But this makes it super easy to have all of your devices charging together. And it has a really small footprint, so it makes it easy to add it to a nightstand or a desk, an end table, or even in the kitchen. Having my devices centrally located and organized with less cords with this 3-in-1 wireless charging station makes me feel so organized and put together, and it keeps my area nice and tidy. And that's my point of view.